Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect and you are watching Decor Time. We're still in Florin Decor, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you the sink designs that they have. They only got the bold design type sink. They don't have any other types actually. They have different materials like glass, porcelain, limestone, marble. So I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the tour with the music, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next video. Bye bye.